Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that assemble AI token is good or not. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. Firstly, you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap and copy this address. After that, you have to open GoPlusLab.io website and paste here token address. And you have to select this token native blockchain and click on check button. So here you can check risky item and attention item. Risky item is 1 and attention item is 2. Here in this attention mint function, the contract may contain additional issuance functions which could maybe generate a large number of tokens, resulting in significant fluctuation in token prices. It is recommended to confirm with the project team. Here in this risky item, this token can self-destruct. The contract owner has the self-destruct function. When it is triggered, this contract will be destroyed. All function will be unavailable, and all related asset will be erased. Here in this attention function that can suspend trading. If a suspendable code is included, the token may be neither be bought nor sold, means honeypot risk. Now here you can see top 10 holders liquidity percentage. Top 10 holders liquidity percentage is around 76%. Token holders is around 6,000 and total supply is around 1.5 billion. Assemble AI token. After that you have to open this token on CoinMarketCap and click on market section. Now here you can check this token is listed on Coinbase, Gate.io, Bithumb and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.